going on, man? It's your boy QD Line. We back with another video. I'm a little tired right now. Stayed up last night trading. Caught a nice move on USD JPY. Price broke daily highs, weekly highs, monthly highs, and ran. I took my position pretty earlier than normal, but at the position of the account that I was in, I felt like it was the perfect time to take the money. It was good profit. But anyway, you came for the title of the video, which is the 3 biggest mistakes I made as a rookie trader. And I used to watch these videos before I was profitable, before I was making money trading. And I used to be like, it's no way it's that simple. It's no way it's this, no way it's that, because a lot of people say the same thing. But what I realized is it just goes in depth on those things. So the first mistake that most traders make is patience. And I'm telling you, I know you've seen this 1,000 times. You've heard people say patience 1,000 times. When I tell you that technical analysis is not going to be the reason you start making money, it's going to be you growing as a person, you experiencing more things in real life, which is going to grow your patience. It's going to grow your patience. So, patience in terms of, you're not supposed to take a trade before, let's just say, 2:30 my time, because London session 3:30, and you start taking trades at 12 o'clock before you see it, because you see a setup. Now, sometimes it's going to play out good, and that's the trap. That's the kiss of death, because it's gonna play out well that one time, and you're gonna be like, oh, if I would have had more size on, if I would have had more confidence in this setup because it's outside of my time, then I'm gonna do it. You do it the next 3 times and you fuck your account. So that was one of my biggest things, because it's harder for my personal strategy. It's harder to predict where the market is going when there's not liquidity in the market, when there's not momentum in the market. Number 2 is over risking. And everybody says over risking, like I said, but I'm going to break down to you why over risking is so bad and what it actually does and why it keeps you unprofitable. So for me, what over risking did, one, it makes you less confidence in your trades. When prices get into certain levels, instead of you being able to literally close your laptop, walk away, now it's getting close to your stop loss, and because now you're risking way more than you would have risked, now you're taking positions off and it goes straight to the target that you said it was going to go to. Or when you over risk on one position, maybe some nights you're right about the direction of the trade, but you're wrong about the timing of the trade. So if you don't over risk, you still have times that you can get back into the market. But if you over risk on your first position, you don't have any capital to get back in. You have to wait, or you don't have the same confidence, because now it's not like you're playing with your initial size. Now you're like, I don't want to lose, because if I take this trade and I lose, then it's gonna really make a dent in my account. So it's just that's where the psychological game of over risking comes in, and it's not a good place to be. Also with over risking, that comes with skill. It comes with skill set, because over risking to one person won't be over risking to another. And you do want to put size on your A+ positions. So it's like a combination of both, because at the end of the day, if you have major confidence and have waited and have displayed patience, and now you're putting more size than normal on the trade, there's nothing wrong with that. Because one trade, let's just say if you're doing a prop firm challenge, that one trade could be better than you trading every day. If you take one trade or 2 trades that week, but they're so thought out and have multiple technical indicators and just really fits your strategy, then that would probably be better than trading multiple times that week. And I'm gonna be honest, a lot of the prop firms that I've passed 5 or 6 prop firms this year. At least half of those, the first phase was passed with 1 or 2 trades, because it was, good structure on the higher time frames and it flowed into the lower time frames, you catch a really nice entry, it's go time every time. So that's number 2, over risking. And to be honest, that's gonna be the biggest psychological barrier, I feel like, because a lot of people want to get rich quick, especially young people. They want to get rich quick. And then you start getting good, you start getting better, and you're like, oh, I got this shit. And the third and last point is having emotional control. Now, this is what's gonna make you the most money. I'm talking about in terms of just this whole trading game is a game of emotions and managing emotions and managing your self-talk and managing it. That's all it is, bro. Like, once you got the basics and the solid, you've looked at the charts long enough where your eyes have adjusted to the technical analysis of your pair that you trade. You know pretty much what's going to happen around what time. You know really what you're not supposed to do. But the thing about the mind, I don't know why, with trading, you just end up doing it. So once you get to a point where, one, you're even keel with your emotions, you're, after a big winning day, you're not coming in expecting the same day as yesterday. After a big loss, you understand that, hey, that loss has nothing to do with the market structure of today. It has nothing to do with it. So, yeah, man, and you know, it's times where you're trading and you're going through stuff in real life and you're taking the real life aspects of what you're going through onto the charts, and it makes you a shit trader. Like, stop that. If you're doing that right now, literally, the best advice I can say is come to the markets even keel and making sure that you're looking at your trading rules every day. I'm talking about throughout your day, in the morning, when you get up, in the afternoon, before the session at night, at least 3 times in the day, getting it programmed into your subconscious. So now when you're on the charts, you already ready to go. You already ready to go, because at the end of the day, most of the shit that you're doing throughout the day is not going to be worth your more time in life than that little hour of trading the markets. It's not going to be worth it. So you have to really prioritize that hour, 2 hours that you're in the markets and really prepare for it. And that's what's going to make you a profitable trader, not fucking diving your head in a technical analysis. Anybody can learn technical analysis, and it is going to fucking help, not going to lie. But it's that mental that's going to take you over that hump. So it's your boy QD Lon, man. If you enjoyed this video, if you want to hear more videos about, you know, trading psychology or just anything, following my journey, I'm on the way to the gym right now. I'm finna get this crazy workout in. But yeah, if y'all want training about trading, if you want to get on a call with me, DM me at q.dlon on Instagram. And hopefully next video I won't be driving, so I can make eye contact with y'all. Y'all can feel my energy. But I'm gonna see y'all later though. Peace.